Welcome to the Boat Show. Today, we're coming to you from that iconic American brand, Bertram, and we're stepping on board the brand new 34 center console. What I love about this boat, it's beamalicious. There's so much beam here. If you love to fish, you need to step on board with me and let me show you around. So we have a full walk-around transom on this boat, and they go around these beautiful Mercury Verado 400s, and it's going to push this boat in the mid-50. It's got a cruising range of almost 400 miles, and that comes 330 gallons of fuel on board. I know you're going to want to fish this bad boy, so we got a flip up, flip down seat back here to give us massive amounts of room here. So again, the beam on this boat is absolutely, luxury comes in space, right? Boats are very tight, confined spaces, but on this 34, there's copious amounts of room to walk around the outside of this boat, fish back here, and with the seat up, I can fish on the back end. I have a transom gate here on the starboard side. I can fish off the back if I want. And then on the port side, I have a boarding door that I can bring that big catch in. And of course, we have a live well with that beautiful Bertram logo on top, so you can keep an eye on your baits while underway. The length overall of this boat is 35 feet 10 inches, and she has a massive 11 feet 7 inches of beam, and it shows all over this boat. Remember, luxury is space. Space for fishing, space to relax. What I love about this is it has a rear-facing mezzanine seat. Under that, there's a hatch into where your pumps are, massive amounts of storage down there, fish boxes on either side, and another great thing about this boat is it has super high freeboard. Now let's talk about the hardtop. Super integrated hardtop, matching gel coat on top, speakers built in, but look at the oversized mount. It gives us great protection from the elements, even when you're on fishing out here on the outside of either the port or starboard side. More luxury up here at the helm. Check out the seating, beautifully bolstered. The stitching is absolutely impeccable. On top of that, we have beautiful ladder back chairs. It really adds a nice style to this boat. Best part when you're navigating is we're steering on the center line. I got my helm wheel right here, and I have glass on 3 sides. You can see the robust build of this hardtop integrated into the windshield, and then it's electrically actuated vent up forward. And then as we turn attention to the helm, I got all my switching up here. I have a twin Garmin array. Overhead, I have my Mercury vessel view, so I can keep my eye on those Mercury Verado 400s. And then I have my Mercury controls, and I also have my Mercury skyhook right here at hand. But the best part of these Garmin units right here, twin Garmin display, I can link up my Garmin watch to that unit. I can get all my telemetry right here at hand, so if somebody else is handling the boat, I can see it all right here on my watch. So the 11.7 of beam carries all the way forward up here in the bow, right? Check out the massive amount of space we have up here. 2 forward loungers, super comfortable. I have a beautiful teak table up here. You can relax and enjoy the day. And we got cup holders up here, and we have tackle storage as well, a trash can, and then a beautiful forward of the helm, a nice forward seat here. Really is an amazing amount of space on this boat. Now I want to talk about stepping down below. You step down below just to the left of the helm wheel, and when you step down there, it really is a beautiful space. It's not someplace where you want to throw the rods. It's really where you want to spend the weekend. It's a beautiful amount of space down there as well. I think they've really hit it out of the park on so many levels of this boat, including the space down below. Remember, this is only a 34-foot boat, 34, it's really 35, but it's done a lot with the beam and the total amount of space on this boat. So the displacement of this boat is only 15,235 pounds dry. That is an incredible amount of weight, right? On top of it, the way they use the space on this boat is what this boat is all about. It's luxury in space and beam, and they use it effectively if you're gonna fish or you're gonna relax in the sun. It's so much comfort on this boat. What you need to do is you need to go to your local dealer, step on board and see the refinements, see the finishes, and see all of that Bertram DNA for yourself.